Earning affiliate commissions with our merch designs. I like the idea of that. Hey, what's up guys, my name is John, thank you all very much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be speaking about Amazon Associates with Merch by Amazon. Amazon has already said that you can promote your products as an affiliate link. You can promote your designs as an affiliate link as a way to increase your royalties, to increase your sales, and also generate commissions. So if you're not aware of Amazon Associates is a way you can promote products on Amazon, any product on Amazon, and generate a commission if you get a sale. This is something I'll be going into way more detail on in this channel, which would be affiliate marketing and how to build a quick and easy website. But anyway, getting back to what I was saying, promoting our designs as an affiliate link, what would be the benefits of that? Some people probably think that'd be a waste of time, but I think it could be a really good idea, especially if you're new or haven't done affiliate marketing before. This is a good way to introduce yourself to it. Think it if you've got a brand, of designs, of a brand of t-shirts, you can build a website on this brand, put all your products on this website as affiliate links, which will increase your brand name because you've now got a website with that brand name. If someone comes to this website, clicks on your affiliate link, it will take them to your Amazon store. They'll purchase it, you'll get your royalty from Amazon, but you also get an extra commission through your associate store. It may not be a lot, it may only be $1 or $2, but that all adds up, especially when you're already getting a few dollars royalty. But it's also increasing the visibility of your brand. It's also generating more sales as opposed to just relying on organic traffic from Amazon. But here's the other thing, if you're new to Amazon Associates, or if you're not new to Amazon Associates, then you're aware of the whole cookie policy. If someone was to go into Amazon and purchase your design through your affiliate link, and say they decide to stay on Amazon for the next 24 hours, because let's face it, people go to Amazon to purchase things, people are on Amazon to buy things. It doesn't necessarily have to be your design or your product that they buy that you get a commission from. If you refer them to Amazon from any link whatsoever, anything that they purchase within the next 24 hours, you will get commission for. This happens to me quite a lot. For example, I could promote this vape pen on a website, on a Twitter post, on Facebook, on Instagram. I could promote that. Someone clicks on that link, they go to Amazon and they decide that they don't actually want to purchase this. Okay, but they're on Amazon, so they're in the frame of mind that they want to purchase something, and then they look about their house and think, right, what do I want to buy? What do I need? I need a new shower. I'm giving you a real life example because this is what has happened. I promoted this, not this specific model, but I promoted a vape pen basically, and I believe it was on a Twitter post. Someone went onto Amazon, decided they didn't want a vape pen, but they need a new shower. This was an electrical shower system. It came to about £400, which they then decided to go on and buy. Because I referred them to Amazon, I got commission for that sale. So yeah, I believe that this could be a very profitable idea, and it's a great way for you to introduce yourself to affiliate marketing. Again, as I said, it's something that I'm going to be showing on this channel, how to build websites, how to get into affiliate marketing, how to do Amazon Associates. The greatest way for beginners to get into affiliate marketing because of the unlimited potential of niches that you can actually use on any website. But if you're promoting your designs from merch, then if they go ahead and buy your designs, then it's going to increase your brand name. And again, if you decide that they want to purchase other things with that, then you're going to get commissions for each and every one of those sales. So I believe it is actually a really good idea because it will increase your design's BSR, it will increase the visibility of your design and your brand, and again, you will get commissions for every sale that they decide to purchase within a 24-hour period. That is the cookie period. So I think this could only be a real win-win scenario. I know people would probably disagree with me and probably think it's a waste of time. You're better off spending money on your advertising on Amazon, or spending your time just putting more products on your Merc account. But I believe it's important to diversify on a passive income portfolio, or PIP for short. PIP. As I've stated before, I don't like to put all my eggs into one basket. I like to have multiple sources of income, especially passive, I like to have a portfolio of passive incomes. And affiliate marketing is definitely one of the best ways to generate a passive income online. I believe that this is just a good way to introduce people to affiliate marketing if you've never done it, or if you're a beginner at it. At least if you're promoting your own products, then you have more control, and also you're increasing the visibility of your products and generating royalties and commissions. So anyway guys, that's more or less all I want to speak about today. I will be posting Merch Monday tomorrow, so stay tuned. And in the very near future I will be showing you how I design websites and how I make a passive income through affiliate marketing. As always guys, take care and thank you all very much for watching. I will see you all later. Goodbye.